off topic, but I got to ask this, Kaela, what was with those gorilla noises at the ID booth at Fest? I spent a long time in queue for that. You guys didn't know about that, right? Now someone spilled the tea. No. About this, right? Not all the people gonna know about this. I pick you cause it seems no one else did in queue. Mostly Rizu, Zeta, Kobo. Nice. I mean, did you really regret that? Half regret. The queue was long. How long? How long was it? Like, and then have you got to talk with other people that queued together with you? You know, like how they feel. Like really, because I really want to know about that, right? Was there about 20 minutes to half hour? Oh, really? That's really long queue. Yeah. Yeah. Kaela Booth's supposed to have live camera to see their expression. Okay. So, yeah. So the thing is, I don't know that the time when I need to talk about this just comes straight into my face like this in my Pejuang stream, but okay. Because I didn't expect that someone gonna like, you know, mention it. But okay. Okay. I still remember that time. So back then, Amchan asked us to like record for that, right? You know, like there are a lot of options that the thing that we can do, you know, like a lot of things, and it just like up to us, you know. Yeah, it's just like you can do whatever you can do, like voice acting, you can do role play maybe, and then or maybe you can do like there are a lot of points lah. There are a lot of points that things that we can do. I think the third points are like random noises. Yeah, that includes in the option. And then I just say to Amchan like, it's just very random. I was like, gorilla. I said like that. I typed like that. Like, gorilla. And then Amchan said, that's a good one. At first, I was like just joking about it, okay? And then, but the thing is, you know, I definitely go to the studio. I ran it by myself. Okay. I definitely go to a studio to record that. It's a studio recording gorilla voice, let me tell you, and that's the reason why I laugh so hard. Ella, please, what? No, because it's for the expo. Amchan asked me to record it in the studio. I definitely didn't stream one day just because I need to go to the studio for that one. It need to be, Amchan said that it need to be like 100% top-notch studio quality gorilla noise. That's the very, very clean gorilla noises that you can get, you know? Bruh. What, bruh? What is wrong with you? What? I literally hired the gorilla. I really hired the gorilla? What? I literally hired the studio for that gorilla noises. Yeah. Ah, hello. Hello. Hello.